Yes, you want orange juice. Yes, orange juice. Yes, Mama going to make you some orange juice. Would you like to have some orange juice? Say yes, Mama. Yes, Mama, orange juice. Yes, orange juice. Yes, you want some orange juice? Yes, I know you want orange juice. Yes. And you want what? I already made green juice this morning. Would you like something else? You want some lemonade? How about some lemonade? Get out the curtain. Sarah, you want what? How about green juice tomorrow morning?
Yes.
What you want now?
Oh, it's because I was asleep.
Did you already say morning to the Faves? I don't think so. Say morning, Faves.
No, I didn't.
Say morning.
Morning, babe.
Sarah, you say morning. Don't do that. Okay, I'm gonna make her orange. You want lemonade? All right.
I was sleeping.
You were sleeping. You guys, look at me. I am soaked. I am so wet. When I tell you that this morning workout was everything, I mean it was everything. I got about an hour in of cardio, abs, and even some jumps outside. I remember that I have a stairs step outside where I can utilize to do some jumps. So I went outside in the garden to do that, and that was amazing. I'm happy I made the decision to do so, and I feel so good. Now it's time for me to go get fresh and look after my babies. But first, I am going to make some orange juice for Sarah and give Tyler some lemonade. Baby's home today, so it's the only way I can get to go outside or work out outside is when baby's home on a Monday when he doesn't go to the office. So it's a blessing in disguise. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Did I even say good morning? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Hopefully you guys are not new to the channel, and if you are new, make sure that you hit that subscribe button to catch up and keep up with the fam and everything that happened with us on a day-to-day basis. Monday to Friday you get raw and real life. Whatever we do in a day, that's what you get. So right now I really don't know what's gonna happen today, so I don't know what's gonna happen in the rest of today's vlog, so you just gonna have to stick around and watch and find out. Let's go.
Mama?
Yes, Tyler?
Now can you put another word from happy birthday Sarah?
I will. How about you come and have your lemonade?
Yes, I know that. Oh. Lemonade and
Lemonade and what?
green juice is a little bit the same. Do you know why?
Why? The color?
Yes, the color it look like green, and the green juice is really, really green.
Okay, that's a good description. And by the way, you guys, if you really want to work out with me and get a little extra motivation, go over to my channel at Body After Baby. I'll put the link down below in the comment section. It will be in the description box. and it will be at the heading at the top where you see all those words across the screen. Click on channels and you'll see all my other channels under there. And if you don't know, yes, I have a food channel, and that is also under the heading, so go and subscribe to all of those. On my food channel, you'll find everything on there. Healthy food, Jamaican food, whatever it is, I do it over on my food channel. So yeah, Sarah, now it's your turn for your orange juice. This one is spoiled. Let's see if I have any more in this fridge. If not, I gotta go around the back. I gotta go around the back. Oh, there's one. These oranges have so much juice in them.
You think it's orange juice?
You give her some?
No. Just showing her the color.
That's okay. That's okay, Ty. Her orange juice is coming. Yay! Good job, Sarah! Yay! Good job. Okay, Mama is gonna go get a shower right now, and I'll be back. So you be nice, okay?
Okay.
Breakfast was good. Now it's time for me to make some lunch and dinner for Sarah. Babe is also pausing from work to get his workout in. So he's taking a run right now. Let me show you guys Babe running. Why you look so slow? How much you are?
96. I have another bottle that is almost empty.
You want it?
Yes. And I
Okay.
want you to put a little bit like this only. It's too
Heavy.
heavy and hard to
Alright.
take it.
No, stay there, I'm coming. Babe outside doing his abs, finish his 40 minutes run. First thing.
What kind of
What kind of lunch break is that? Well, a good lunch
7
break.
minutes, 40 seconds.
So, up and out. We don't want a rotation. Up and out. That's it. Very good. You're doing good. Come on. Keep your hands at your ears, babe. Not on your cheek. That's it. That's it. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Almost there. Change. Come on, man. Foot close together. Close your legs. Come on. Put your leg higher, like up to your stomach more. Close them. Close your legs. That's it. That's it. Come on.
40 seconds.
Flutter. Let's go. Remember, it's not scissors you're doing. Head down. Head down. Flutter. Faster than that. Come on. Baby, let's go. Come on. Baby.
9 minutes.
Well done. Good job. Princess is not awake as yet. I just finished making her food for a few days. His lunch for a few days. His fish, broccoli, and Irish potato. And this is dinner for a few days. This is carrot and broccoli in this one. So I'm waiting on her to wake up. She's gonna have lunch. While I wait on her, I'm gonna clean up the kitchen and make lunch for Babe and I, so that I can get on with this day. We're on the road in my style and glam glasses. You've been driving with it like this the entire time. I put out yours and didn't put out mine. You guys, we are making a quick fruit and vegetable supermarket run. Just real quick, I'll be in and out while the rest of the fam stay in the car and wait for me because I won't be long.
And me.
Oh, Tyler said he wanted to come with me, so I think I'm gonna carry Tyler inside. So Babe and Sarah will remain outside. Just chill until I get back real quick. So let's see what we'll find. He's been bugging me about strawberries, so I'm sure that's why he wants to come inside with me.
Hi guys, welcome to our studio space.
Welcome to what?
Our studio space.
Our studio space?
Yes.
You are so funny. You guys, we just got back from the fruits and vegetable supermarket, so we're gonna do the haul real quick. Alright, let's go. What is this?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Good job.
Green tree.
Celery. I know he was gonna start his foolishness. I was just wondering how long will it take him to start the foolery.
Red circle.
Tomato. You want to tell him what it is in French?
Yes. Tomate. What with tomato that make? What with tomato that make?
Tomato sauce.
No.
What? Ketchup.
Yes. Fraise.
Strawberries.
Citron.
Lemon. Tell us telling you guys in French.
Plantain.
No.
Banane.
Banana.
Banane plantain.
No. Yes, saucy banana plantain.
Banane plantain.
Plantain.
Ananas.
For who?
Moi. No, not you, listen for me.
Okay.
Patate douce.
Sweet potato.
Carotte.
Carrot.
I don't know how to name
Avocado.
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 Kiwi. Concombre.
Cucumber. Good job.
Carotte râpée.
Carrot what?
Râpée.
Râpé.
Oui, carotte
That's what it's called?
râpée.
Happy is the fact that the
Greta cut small.
carrot happy. Good job, Tyler.
Good job, Ty. I didn't know that. The Ty also taught me just then. A carrot râpé.
Yes.
Okay.
Concombre. Céréales.
Cereal.
Pomme.
Apple.
Brocoli.
Broccoli.
I don't know.
Maize.
Maïs.
Corn.
Haricots verts.
Green beans.
Oignon.
Onion.
Concombre.
No.
I don't know.
It's zucchini in English.
How to say in French?
Courgette.
Courgette.
And that's the end of the
Supermarket haul. Now I'm going to eat all my strawberry and all my pineapple. I'm going to eat some of those now.
Okay.
I want some.
Okay. Anyway, guys, that's it. Family pool trip. We're heading to the pool. We're heading to the pool at 6 p.m. You see how hot the sun is?
We're at the pool.
turn her face towards you. Are you swimming to Papa?
Yes.
Okay, go. 1. No, move that from in front of you. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah. Good job. Yeah. You did it. You're gonna jump too, honey? Huh? Okay. Papa gonna jump too, Tyler. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go! It was so much fun with the boys, and now we're going home to have dinner. And I decided that we're gonna do barbecue because I don't feel to really throw down in the kitchen. I just feel to sit down and relax. So barbecue chubby.
Hey guys, after a nice pool, a nice barbecue. So this is some chicken, some sausage, some burgers. What we have here, some more chicken to cook. Ooh, a lot of sausage. One is ready, and some meat, some pork here. Excited? You're gonna eat everything?
Yes.
Yes.
And then we can play dominoes.
Okay. After. First you have to eat everything.
I know.
Look at this. That smells good, guys.
Mama, was that saved? Was that saved?
C'est bien neuf.
It's time for bed, but you won't go without saying the Jamaican expression. Alright,
Oh.
find one and read it and tell me.
Papa,
Oui, Taylor.
the Jamaican expression is wagga wagga.
Tell you all the Jamaican, the waka waka, wagga wagga,
No,
wagga
it's
wagga
wagga.
is a dance. Wagga wagga, wagga wagga.
No, the dance thing, waka waka.
Oh.
Wagga.
But the Jamaican expression Tyler says wagga wagga.
Wagga wagga is
What do you
somebody
think
that
wagga
do-
wagga means?
Somebody that do a lot of mess, you do wagga wagga.
No,
No? Tell me a sentence.
it's an obese person, a fat person.
Oh, fat person is a wagga wagga.
Mhm.
That is true, Tyler.
Read what it says, Ty.
That means
Let him read it, honey.
one who is fat and sloppy.
Yes.
You actually speak some patois.
You're a hot mess. Good job, Ty. Bravo. What's the French expression?
C'est simple comme bonjour.
What is the French expression, Tyler?
C'est simple comme bonjour.
C'est simple comme bonjour. I heard Tyler say that today. C'est simple comme bonjour.
It's easy as hello.
What it means.
That's
Hold on, what it means. I know you know because you use it.
Yeah.
Bonjour.
it
It means. Tell her,
Hold
let
on,
me
Tyler.
guess.
no me.
No, you know, Mama first.
It means. It's easy.
Yeah, it means it's easy. For example.
No, that means it's good.
No, that means it's easy. For example, I do a big cake, and then you impress and you say, wow, it should be a lot of work, and then I show you how to do it, and say, oh, it's easy. So yeah, it's easy as bonjour. Like mean it's
Yes.
simple.
No, simple comme bonjour.
C'est simple comme bonjour.
Alright, so night night.
Night night.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno. It's Italiano. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below,
And
subscribe.
subscribe to our studio space.
Subscribe to our channel.
Our workout channel. And subscribe on Body After.
Baby. And we'll see you guys.
Tomorrow.
No,
What am I gonna do with him?
Today.
Allez, t'as fait un bisou à maman ou tu vas au lycée sans faire de bisous à maman? T'as fait un bisou à maman ou tu vas au lycée sans faire de bisous à maman?
J'ai fait des bisous à maman.
Alors va faire un bisou à maman, t'as déjà fait?
J'ai déjà fait.
Alors tu vas faire pipi?